Right now, Election Day is still more than 3 weeks away, but hundreds of thousands of people are already voting early.
That's right, Barbara. And some of them are doing it by mail, but running into confusion when they're trying to track their ballot. News 3 reporter Brendan Ponton explains what you need to know.
Once you put your ballot in the mailbox, you can track where it is online, but now that process is leading to some confusion. Back on September 23rd, News 3 introduced you to a Norfolk man named Dal Paul, who's voting absentee by mail. But nearly 3 weeks later, when he logs onto the ballot tracking website called Ballot Scout, it says his ballot is in transit to the registrar's office and not yet received.
I don't know what to do. I thought this would be an easier option to mail. It doesn't seem to be working out that way.
In Virginia, each ballot envelope has a unique barcode allowing voters to track the status of their ballots each step of the way. But for some, the ballots are not showing up as received.
I'm worried that my ballot is lost and my vote will not count, and it's important for me that my vote counts.
Paul called the Norfolk Registrar's office to get answers.
She said my case is not unusual at all, that they're getting calls all the time. Some people are calling every day. So she said to give it another week.
Ballot Scout is run by a nonpartisan nonprofit called Democracy Works. Jessenia Eliza is the director of government initiatives. She says in Virginia, the technology relies entirely on the post office scanning the envelopes.
We're seeing this here and there with ballots that aren't moving beyond that in-transit status. That typically means just that the USPS didn't scan it further, not necessarily that the ballot isn't moving.
The State Department of Elections says they're aware of the issue and are working with the Postal Service to improve scan rates. There's also another part of the elections website where you can track your ballot, but for Paul, that did not provide any more answers.
From Norfolk to Norfolk, and that would be unacceptable for any letter to take 20 days. Where's my ballot?
But there is still time before Election Day. Paul says he's going to continue to follow up to make sure his vote counts. In Norfolk, Brendan Ponton, News 3.